According to Cognitive Market Research, the global 3D printed electronics market size is $8,154.2 million in 2023 and will expand at a compound annual growth rate of 16.2% from 2023 to 2030. Market drivers. Rapid prototyping and customization capabilities to propel market growth. Market restraints. Precision challenges and industry standards to restrict market growth. Get to know about the competitor analysis, regional analysis, country analysis, segment analysis, market trends, technological trends, SWOT analysis, and more by requesting sample pages latest published market research copy.